it's Wes
and Chanda,
and welcome to DinkLife.
So we have made it back to Tokyo Disneyland, and we are so excited. We are staying at the Toy Story Hotel for one night, which is right behind us because we did buy the vacation package. We'll talk about that later when we're able to get into our room and we can kind of show you what it includes and everything like that. But we left Shinjuku this morning. We got on a bus at 7:30. We bought those tickets on Klook. It was a shuttle bus straight here to Disney, and we were here by like 8:15, and we are totally checked in, luggage dropped off, and ready to go to the parks at 8:45. So it took less than 90 minutes total from us to get from Shinjuku to here to ready to go to the park. So I totally recommend that if you're trying to get here.
Yep.
The last time we did this, we used the metro station, and it was kind of a mess with your luggage and things like that.
Yeah, it's a lot to push through.
It's a lot to push through, and the walk from the metro all the way to Disney is very, very long.
Yeah, and it was very reasonable. I'll drop the prices in later.
Yeah, so totally recommend that. But we aren't able to check in yet. Like I said, we'll show you our room later when we are able to check in. But today we are using our vacation package to go to Disney Fantasy Springs and Disneyland. So this should be a really good time, and we will take you along with us. Today is it?
Yo, 유카이다.
That's pretty cute. The hallways are pretty cute here. Look at that carpet.
Hello, welcome to our room at Toy Story Hotel at Tokyo Disneyland. So it's pretty precious even just when you first come in the door. And right off here to the left, you can see our places to hang your coats, and the little hangers are push pins. They're so adorable.
Yep.
And of course, as with every Japanese hotel, they give you slippers for everyone.
Yeah, and they're pretty adorable.
They are pretty cute.
You can see them here in Chanda.
And then right off here to the right is the bathroom. So the mirror is really stinking cute.
Mm-hmm.
And they give you all kinds of amenities here. There's toothbrush, hairbrush, amenities kit, washcloths. And then over here is a separate door with a tub and a wet room. I love these about Japanese hotels. So when you take a shower in here, you can get the whole room wet.
It's a big tub.
And look how cute. That is just stinking adorable.
Mm-hmm.
And then the toilet is separate, as usually with these hotel rooms in Japan. Off here is the toilet, and of course, just like with every Japanese toilet, it is a bidet, heated seat, all of that fun stuff. And the wallpaper is adorable still. Super cute. And then you walk in here, and there is a lot of desk space, counter space, whatever you want to call it. Super cute clock on the wall. Oh my gosh, the TV is an Etch-A-Sketch. That is just precious.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Absolutely adorable.
There's drawers there too.
And they did deliver our luggage for us. We dropped it off this morning, and it was up here when we got here.
Yeah.
These little beds are adorable. They've got the little handkerchief on them. And then out here...
Yeah, we'll have to get the view tomorrow.
Yeah, we can't really, I mean...
You can't see anything now.
It's the ocean, I assure you, but it's there. So this room is pretty darn cute. Even the light fixture up in the ceiling is really cute. It's just a couple of stars.
Yeah, that is cute.
I mean, it's just the most precious little room. Now, we did get the vacation package with this, and we'll have to show you everything that came along with that as well. So we also did get the vacation package when you stay here. Because the park is so busy, it is much easier when you book the hotel to book a whole vacation package. It comes along with quite a few things actually, so we just wanted to show you how that works. When you check in, they do give you a little like pamphlet here, and it contains everything you need. Now the thing here is everything is still paper, it's not digital. And so what they do is they give you little tickets for everything. Okay, so it's like a ticket into the park, and then we got passes to ride Tower of Terror and Journey to the Center of the Earth. You also get a free hotel breakfast tomorrow morning. And then today, the tickets that we used, we got a whole bunch of free gifts. So you get a free popcorn bucket for your family. There's just one of those. And then you each get a shoulder bag, a free shoulder bag, and then you get a voucher for a free gift. So Wes picked this plush Mickey.
Yeah, he's pretty cute. He's like a little traveling Mickey with his little bag. He clips on. He has clips so you can clip onto your shirt.
He's adorable. And then I got a little mat because over here at Tokyo Disney, you sit for parades and shows and fireworks and things like that. They do not stand like we do in the States or anywhere else, really. So this is kind of cute. It comes in its own little carrying case. And it is just a foldable little seat, a little mat that you sit on when you're watching the parades and stuff. So this is pretty adorable. Unfortunately, we didn't get to use it because we picked it up for the nighttime parade, and due to the weather, it did get canceled. But luckily, we have seen that before. So this is all of the stuff that you get with the vacation package. Oh, and one other thing I should mention, you also get free drinks.
Yep.
You get a pass, and you can get sodas and teas and coffees all day for free at any cart or anything like that. Now, it's not sit-down restaurants or things like that, but you know, if you go up to a cart and you want a beverage, you just get one for free. So this is all very fantastic. Not entirely sure how much we paid for it.
I'll throw the price in. I think it was like $1,200 for a night and all of it.
Yeah. So really, if you think about it, it's not that bad because you're getting, you know, your passes into the park, you're getting some free gifts, you're getting some free Disney access passes, Premier access passes, which is like a fast pass or a lightning lane. And you get all of these things. So it's a pretty good deal. And considering how busy this park is, it's totally worth it.
And that is the plug style here. Here's a view at our hotel window. You can see the Hilton pool down there. And the ocean out there. And here's the front of the Toy Story Hotel. They got a parking garage there and a little area for kids to play. There's also a play area in the back, and we'll show that later. They do have a nice little play area outside for the kids. Very well themed. And here's the front at nighttime. Here's the inside lobby. You check in over there at the front desk. Then you check your bags over there on the right. And here is the hotel gift shop. And I got a little Lego set of the hotel here you can get. And they do have a convenient mart here. You can get all kinds of snacks in. All kinds of drinks you can get. And they do have beer and highballs in here. Sweet breakfast here at the Toy Story buffet. I got some, that's ham salad. Then we got some of the traditional stuff. That's a potato bun, some bread pudding. This is some mango pudding, some yogurt, a little bowl of fruit, and then some pasta. There's also a lot of Asian type stuff there too. But then we have a nice little view of the ocean right there.